Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another unboxing of Kokorosa Studio dies. Oh my goodness, you guys. So I will link, um, actually, I won't be able to link everything I received. I will actually be linking a page from Kokorosa Studio. It's an affiliate page, and basically you guys, you click on that page and all the items that I've been receiving from Kokorosa Studio will be there. So that is amazing. That's like my own little website page. Oh my god, that's awesome. Anyway, so you guys could, link on it, um and then basically you guys do your shopping there and make sure you guys use that coupon code, and it will be on the page as well. So you guys, it just gives you all the information. It makes it so much easier. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so let me go ahead and start with the dies that I received from Kokorosa. So I got this cute little window with the bear, and it has the curtains. These are the curtains. Of course, this is the window and this is the bear. And let me just go ahead and show you. Okay, so isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, so much detail into it. It is nice. It is the first cut. I didn't have to recut or anything. So nice. So I got that. I got these cute little swans. OMG, aren't they cute? So this will be amazing either for a bag topper or decorating in a card. So many useful things. So I can't wait to work with that one. Go ahead and put this on the side. I also received this one. This one is one of my favorites so far, and this is a deer dove. Yeah. Anyways, so it's the deer. It's the horns right here, or the elk horns. Anyways, or whatever they're called. And then this is the little scarf. So that he or she wears a scarf, and this is what it looks like, and it is so cute. I love it. OMG. Of course, I love all of Kokorosa Studios dies. They are amazing. This is a fireplace one. So this is like the brick, and this of course is the fireplace. These, you have to take these out, so you could just die cut them yourself. And here is the wood. And oh my gosh, so a mantle is amazing. So there's another one. And then these are balloons, you guys. These are balloons. These are really small, but I like them because you can use them with so many things. And actually, I was thinking you could use these with ATCs. So awesome. And as you guys could see, here is the balloon portion of it. There you go. So I can't wait to work with these. And then I also got these flowers. Ooh, these are nice. So I can't wait to work them. I can't wait to die cut them and share them with you guys and share my projects. So of course, you guys, like I said, I will link the affiliate link down in the description below. It will take you directly to my page, and you guys, it's gonna make shopping so much easier instead of going back and forth through my page. And anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.